Hello everyone. For this video, I am going to show you how to create the stair for your project. Alright, so to create a stair for your project, I want you to zoom on the rear shaft of the building. That's where you're going to have your stair here. Alright, so we are going to make use of the stair feature of Revit. So I want you to go to Architecture, and then I want you to go to the circulation, select the stair, and then it will be on the component. There's one thing that I want you to keep in mind here is the type selectors for your stair. So I want you to go ahead and select the steel pan stair. The other thing that I want you to change that the location line, I want you to choose exterior support right. Take note of that. And I want you to change the actual run width to 3 feet 4 inches. I think that's it. We're ready, and make sure you are on level 1, and then you can start drawing the stair now. So I'm going to create the first point that is about 5 feet away from the door. That's my first point, and then go up. I'm going to make a mark of 9 feet 2 inches. Then I want you to go across, click that, and then I want you to go whatever the ending part of it. So this is the last point of it, so click that. There you go. So you have there now your stair. So I want you to just click the check mark. There you go. So don't worry about this one here. I want you just exit out. Alright, so I want you to select your stair by clicking this one here, and I want you to move that all the way to the top. So I want you to move that and move it here. There you go. So we already moved your stair. Alright, so that's pretty much we are going to modify a little bit of your stair. Alright, so what I want you to do is I want you to go to level 2. Alright, so this is the level 2, and you will notice the texture of this slab here. This represent this slab that you just created in the previous videos. Alright, so here you may need to adjust the location of your slab so that it will flash to the end of this one here. So I want you to activate this boundary of your slab. So you just need to double click it. So you just double click the boundary of this slab, and we're going to move that a little bit. Okay, so let's see. I use the move command. Alright, and I'm going to move this so that it will flash into is that to your slab. I'm sorry, it's still not good. I'm going to move this a little bit. Alright, there you go, so that it flashes into your steps. Alright, so make sure that you move this and clean up a little bit, and then click OK. Alright, so with that, we are going to modify a little bit of your railings. So what we want to do is to create a boundary here because that's open, and to do that, what you do is to create the edit path of it. So I want you to select the inner railings. This is your inner rails, so I want you to select that. So just hover your cursor here. This is your inner rail here, so I want you to select that. Okay, and then I want you to select this one here. It says edit path at the top. Alright, so I want you to click that, and then I want you to create an additional from here. So I want you to connect that all the way here. Alright, and I want you to click OK. So it will create a complete railings in there. Alright, So if you want to look at it, you could do your camera and look at here a little bit. Alright, so see if we can see it. There you go. This is your stair. Alright, so there you go. Alright, so let's move on to this is your stair at the back. Let's take a look at how you're going to create the on the this part here on your lobby. Alright, so to do that, I want you to go back to your level 1, okay, and I want you to go ahead and do the stair again by component, okay, and I want you to select the width on the option bar. We're going to use 4 feet. Alright, so we are going to create approximately here. You could start anywhere you want, and we're going to move that in a video. Alright, so just create here, and then go in this direction. I want you to create about 10 riser. Okay, so it's just to 9 feet 2 inches as well. Okay, and then I want you to go on the other side. Click there and then move around. There you go. So again, this is 10 steps. That's about 9 feet 2 inches, and then go across and then draw the next one. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do now is to select the landing. Okay, this one is the landing here. You need to pan or hover your cursor on top of your landing, so make sure that you're going to select that. So it is selected here, and once you select that, I want you to go that says convert. So here we have here convert here. Alright, I want you to click and I want you just go and close it. Alright, so what I did is I went to convert and then I just click the dialog box, and then I want you to go ahead and click the edit, this one here, edit the sketch. So I want you to click that. Alright, so I want you to select the arc option. So we have here the arc, we have the center end, but I want you to select the start and radius arc. Okay. So I want you to draw the arc. It's from this point here, and this is the end point. I'm sorry, let me start here and then end here. Then probably I want you to create about 9 feet 6 inches. Okay, that's what I did. So if you're going to look at the radius, it's 9 feet 6 inches, so take note of that. Alright, and then I want you to finish by clicking the green button here. Alright, and I want you just cannot finish landing sketch. Landing sketch must be closed loop. I want you to delete this part here. Alright, and then I want you to click okay. Alright, so there you go. So that is your stair. And then what we're going to do now is to move on to your level 2, so that we'll be able to move that into the right position. All right, so I want you to move that to level 2. So this is our opening that we created in creating this slab on level 2. So what we need to do here is that this is the top portion of it, so we are going to move that and snap it to this particular edge here. All right, so I want you to go ahead and move. Okay, just a second, let me click this one first. Alright, so I want you to select your stair, and I want you to go and move it. Alright, so I want you to select the edge here, this one here, and I want you, I'm sorry, probably you may need to grip this portion here, and then snap it to this edge. All right, there you go. Already, so it's a little bit, let me undo it. Okay, let me move this one first to the edge here. Let's see, let's move it. Select your stair, move, and I want you to grip this one and probably snap it there, and then we are going to move here a little bit, move again, so make sure that we snap it here a little bit more. All right, now you will notice here that it's not snapped here, so we may need to move that a little bit more. Oops, sorry, move, move. We snap it. So what we need to do is probably align it, modify and align. We may need to probably align it to the wall here, so we may need to do the tab and then select this one here. There you go, it moved into the wall. All right, so this one here a little bit, we just need to move. We may align it as well, so we are going to use this here and then align that one. All right, so let adjust a little bit of the boundary of your slab. So let's move this one here a little bit to here, and move this one here, and there you go. So this is, you're going down here, see it's the top, so we need to create a covering from here to here as well too. Alright, so let's just get out from your slab. So we are going to create a connections from here to here as well too. So we will be creating an edit. So I want you to click this one here. So we're going to add edit pad, and we are just going to add pretty much the way that we did it on the back stair as well too. So connect that and then click OK. All right, so that is now your stair here already. And the other thing that we are going to do is to create a protections as well here. We will continue and edit that as well. So grip that, grip the and then I want you click edit pad as well too, this one here, and we will continue to draw from here, and then this part. Sorry. We are just going to create a baluster that goes around the opening here. Alright, there you go, and I want you to just click OK. Which part already? So let's take a look at how it looks like. So I want you just to the camera. Let me just save it first. And I want you to look at from here going this direction here. Alright, so this is how it looks like for your stair right now. Alright, so that's how you created the stair. So again, you have to begin on the first floor, roughly create the stair, and making use of the stair component. Make sure it is 9 feet, this going up 9 feet 2 inches, and then go across. Click the second point, first, second, third point, and click. It will terminate once it reaches your second floor, so I want you to just click that as your point. The next thing that you're going to do is to move and make sure that you're going to snap your stair into your wall here. So you just need to move and snap. If it is hard for you to snap it to the wall, you could use this align modify here so that you'll be able to align that to your wall. Okay, once you have that, you need to move on to your level 2. Okay, so you may need to adjust your slab so that it will fit into the edge of your stair here on your second floor. Okay, so you just need to make that active by double clicking the edge of your slab. This is your slab here, and then once you have that, you need to add this balusters that goes here to protect, and then continue and create another balusters here that goes around the opening. Alright, so that's how you create the stair. Already, guys?